Welcome back to another Driving with Dixon Cars and Creators. Looking forward to seeing what cars we have come through. Coffee, food, the weather's actually held out for us, which is nice. So looking forward to it, let's go. Feet first, with me lovely slippers. Ass first, I should say. Oh. This is comfy as, I can go to sleep. Oh, it's a heavy clutch. Driving like this. Got it. Oh, shit. Holy hell. Close that properly. That's a gated shift, all right. I'll reverse it straight up. Fucking hell, that's dangerous. Not a whole lot of headroom, is there? This is very nice. I don't even know if this chair can go back anymore. Not really. Nice though. All right guys, now that's a wrap for Cars and Creators number 2. I want to thank everyone for coming out, all the creators who came and took some photos, and we had a ring in that came in late, so pretty special ring in. I want to thank everyone for coming along. It's been an amazing day, huge turnout. Weather's just turned on us, so timing's everything, but appreciate everyone coming down, and stay tuned for the next one. Thank you, everyone. Good job.